Hi, I'm Nikki Hall from Polkadoodles Crafts, and I want to introduce you to the new EZLift Magnetic Wand. It's going to make your life so much easier. The EZLift Magnetic Wand is made with two ultra-strong magnets that will help you hold and position your cutting dies. You will love how strong they are, but they don't pinch, so they're totally safe. All you have to do is tap the EZLift wand onto your dies. They snap to the die and you can easily lift the die from the magnetic sheet, your craft mats, die cutting plates, or anything else that you use. They have made my life so much easier, and I'm sure they'll make yours easy too, and no more sensitive fingers or chipped nails either. Just use the EZLift wand to position your die over your stamped images or your cardstock. It just makes it so easy to place the die where you want it. Here's a great tip. If you have a magnetic sheet or magnetic craft mat, hold the die in place over the stamp whilst you tape it down for cutting. It makes this whole process easier and the die doesn't move around when you tape it down. But next comes the real magic. Die cut as normal, then tap the EZLift Magnetic Wand onto your die cut card or paper and watch the magnet magically remove the dies from the paper or card. There's no more removing the die and trying to push it out with your fingers. Just remove the tape and you have your die cut. No more dropping dies as you remove them either. Use the wand again to place the die straight back onto your magnetic sheet so it's ready to use next time. The EZLift wand will just make your die cutting and weeding your paper from your dies so much easier and faster. But wait, that's not all it does. You will also find lots of other ways to use it too. If you are always losing your dies under all the card and paper on your desk, who doesn't, right? Let the EZLift wand find it for you fast. It also works with poke tools, tweezers, lost scissors and anything else metallic. So if you lose your scissors under all that craft stuff on your desk, just tap the wand onto the desk and it will find anything metallic underneath and pick it up. It's so much fun. And if you think you've lost a die in your waste bin, just use the EZLift wand and you should find it again if it's in there. Never lose a die or your tweezers again.